It's always exciting to be back in the City of Angels. And tonight, the Colorado Avalanche need more points on a 3-game road trip the day before Thanksgiving. Dancing toward the circle, surveying. Up top, it's Barrie, back to MacKinnon. Big wide pass, walking in Rantanen. Out in front, it goes off of Doughty, and it's underneath Peterson. The rookie netminder was sitting down, and there's the referee to look right behind his rump.
Here's one more look at how close that was.
I think they're taking a look at it, Pete.
Yep.
Oh, goodness gracious. You can see it right there.
After further video review, no goal.
On the near side, sends it back up top. Hard back to Kerfoot. He'll walk in. Side of the net. Out in front, shot, score! Vlad Kamenev on a backdoor play after a perfect feed by Carl Soderberg right through the top of the crease, and the Avs strike Pater. It's a power play goal, and they take a 1-0 lead.
It just didn't happen a few years ago. It was like dead hockey. When it was 2-0, the game was over.
Score for the LA Kings. Varlamov mishandles the puck, and Clifford on just the third shot on goal for LA here tonight. Able to even things at 1 as the puck bounced to the front of the Avalanche net, and somehow it escaped Semyon Varlamov. Avs already with a power play goal here tonight. We'll see what the top unit can do. They win the draw. Barrie back to the near side, Landeskog. Out in front, score! Nathan MacKinnon, it's a power play goal. The Avs get it right back on tic-tac-toe passing. And they've taken a 2-1 lead as Nathan MacKinnon rips home his 14th goal of the season. Finds Kopitar, out of Brown, rink wide pass, broken up, but here comes MacKinnon with Rantanen. Into the LA zone, Mikko, back to MacKinnon with a backhand shot, and a save by Peterson as he came way out and read it well. He juggled it, but he's able to hang on.
Well, from a whole bunch of passes. No, from Colorado, and it made an impact.
The Dorov shot is blocked away. It's a good-looking jersey, and I have my courtesy view. Up top, long shot. Nemeth scores! It might have been deflected. Patrick Nemeth from just inside the blue line. Let it fly from way downtown. It goes in upstairs, and the Avs have taken a 3-1 lead. Nemeth just turned and floated it right down the slot. Wilson, rink wide to MacKinnon. Spinning away from Kopitar. Out in front, score! Mikko Rantanen floats one midair to Colin Wilson, who swings it home. The Avs 3 for 3 on the power play tonight as Wilson rips home his 6th of the season. It's a 4-1 Avalanche lead.
That last play by MacKinnon that was all about just how good he was. He just powered himself off the wall.
Colin Wilson back to Jones. Centering pass, shot, save, rebound, shot, score! Tyson Barrie at the dot cleans up the rebound, and the Avs have poured it on the LA Kings. They've got a 5-1 lead.
This is a club that tried to lose a few years ago.
Zadorov works it down the slot. Zadorov with a shot. He scores! Nikita Zadorov only adds to the LA misery. 6-1 Colorado Avalanche's Big Z rips home his 2nd of the season. Out comes Peterson, and in comes our old buddy Peter Budaj to take over in the crease for the Los Angeles Kings.
Against Calgary, he let in 5 goals, but that's it. That is the only period that's even.
Score! Tyson Barrie with the long wrister. It's deflected in. Matt Calvert may have gotten a piece of it, and the Avs strike pay dirt again, and they have a 7-1 lead over the Los Angeles Kings.
You know, with LA, number 30 Anaheim, number 29 Arizona, the 3.
Shot by Love, he scores. And Love, 2nd goal. Makes it a 7-2 game. 6:46 to go in the 3rd period. On a quick turnaround shot. Here's Derek Foreman. Widener to Love, back to Widener, quick shot, score! Widener 7-3 game. For Austin Weicker, it's his first. And that's going to do it. Well, the Avalanche, the terrific performance here tonight from the get-go. Fast, quick, and aggressive. Find themselves with a 4-goal victory. Our final score here at the Staples Center, the Avalanche 7 and the LA Kings 3.